Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. It's me, Anila Raza from SM Public Academy. I'm your English teacher. I hope you all remember me. So, my little kids, as you can see on this screen, what's written here? Composition. So, it means today we are going to do composition. But before starting composition, I will first tell you what is composition. Composition is a short piece of writing. Okay, my students, composition is a short piece of writing. It is the act of putting so many ideas together in paragraphs. Okay, what is composition? It is a short piece of writing. It is the act of putting so many ideas together in paragraphs. Now moving further, how to start? Now so many of you will be thinking how to start writing a composition. So the first thing you need to do for this is just to think and think. Okay my kids, what you have to do first, you have to think about the topic you have given. Okay, spend some time on thinking about the topic. Then what you have to do next? Then write the words that comes in your mind and use those words to form sentences. When you'll be thinking about a topic, so many words and ideas related to that topic will come in your mind. What you have to do then, you have to write those words on paper and then you have to use those words in sentences. Okay, you have to make sentences of those words. After doing that, what you have to do, you have to arrange the sentences carefully in proper order. For example, if I ask you to write about yourself, so would it look good if you write your name in the end of that composition? No, right? What you have to do, first of all, you have to introduce yourself with your name and then you will write the other things. Okay, similarly with every topic, what you have to do, you have to arrange the sentences and ideas in a proper order. Okay? Okay, so now my students, now have you just read everything about what is composition and how to write it. Now let's just begin with our today's composition. So now, do you know what is the topic of our composition today? It's Eid al-Azha. Yes, the one you celebrate every year. Now, first of all, I'll just tell you some facts about Eid al-Azha, okay? We celebrate Eid al-Azha on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj, okay? Zilhaj is one of our Islamic month, okay? And we celebrate Eid al-Azha in Zilhaj on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj, okay? Then Eid al-Azha is celebrated in memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, we celebrated in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Why do we celebrate it in their memory? Because Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Why? Because Allah ordered him to do so. Okay, so Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Then what happened next? By Allah's order, a sheep came there in place of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, a sheep came there. Here are some pictures of Eid al-Azha. Look, here are the pictures of Mandi where you go to buy your cow and goat and sheep and other animal. Look, there are so many animals, goats. Yeah, the sheep and goats. And a very cute camel. We also slaughter camels, right? Have you seen them? I hope you all have seen them. Then what we do, we slaughter our animal and then we cut their meat into pieces like this. And then we distribute that meat to the poor, needy people and to our relatives. And what we do then? We make such lovely dishes at our home and we celebrate Eid al-Azha with this, okay? With having these lovely dishes, mouth-watering. So now let's just do our composition. Now, if I'll just ask you that what comes in your mind when you just think about Eid al-Azha, so what few things will be in your mind? Let's just see. First, you will be thinking that it is celebrated in the month of Zilhaj. On which dates? 10th, 11th and 12th. Why? Because in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. What we do? We slaughter cow, goat and other camel animals, okay? Sheep. We also wear new dresses on Eid, right? Then we cut meat. We divide it into different categories. Then we distribute it, right? So these all were the words that came in your mind when you just think about Eid al-Azha, okay? So now let's just start writing our composition. Our first sentence is based on this question. When it is celebrated. So we'll make the sentence that when Eid al-Azha is celebrated, so we'll write it in this way, that Eid al-Azha is celebrated on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. Okay, Eid al-Azha is celebrated on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. Okay, now let's just move to our next slide. Okay, now our next sentence will be based on in memory of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, why do we celebrate it in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam? So we'll just write the reason, okay, why in their memory. Here is our first sentence, that was Eid al-Azha is celebrated on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. And then we made a sentence that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, we have made a sentence that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Okay, now let's just move to our next sentence. Now we have to write what happened then. What happened then? When he was going to slaughter his son, by Allah's order, what happened next? Allah got pleased with his sacrifice, and by Allah's order, a sheep was sacrificed in his place, right? How we'll write it? That Allah got pleased with his sacrifice, he got happy, and by Allah's order, a sheep was sacrificed in his place. In whose place? In Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam place, okay? So our next sentence is, what do Muslims do now? Muslims sacrifice cow, goat, sheep and camel every year in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim's sacrifice. Okay, what Muslims do after that? In memory of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, we just sacrifice cow, goat, sheep and camel every year, okay? And we celebrate it in form of Eid al-Azha, okay? So here is our composition. We are done with it. Eid al-Azha. Eid al-Azha is celebrated on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Allah got pleased with his sacrifice and by Allah's order a sheep was sacrificed in his place. Okay, in whose place? In Hazrat Ismail's salam place. Then full stop, and then Muslims sacrifice cow, goat, sheep and camel every year in the month in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim's sacrifice. Okay, so this was our composition. I hope you all are able to write it now in your copies. Okay, and this is the way how you have to do it in your copy. First, you have to make the title page, write composition, then the name of composition, that is Eid-ul Adha, and then put the heading on the next page, Eid-ul Adha, and then write your composition in this way. Okay, Eid-ul Adha is celebrated on 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhaj. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was going to slaughter his son, Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Allah got pleased with his sacrifice and by Allah's order, a sheep was sacrificed in his place. Muslims sacrifice cow, goat, sheep and camel every year in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim's sacrifice. I hope you all have enjoyed it and you now know so many things about Eid al-Adha, okay? Thank you for listening to your teacher. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care a lot and enjoy.